Welcome back to my workshop. Now today I'm in the middle of a bit of a project, but I thought I'd take a couple of minutes out of that project just to explain this ridiculous moustache I've got going on. Now all my long-term viewers will know that every November I grow this thing on my face. I know I look like a 1970s porn star, but the reason I'm growing it is because of Movember. Okay, every year in November I grow this moustache to show support for men's health issues. Okay, now how does this help? Well, quite a few times people have come up to me and said, what's with the moustache? And that is basically, it's a tool. It allows me to open up a conversation with other people that wouldn't normally talk about issues of men's health. But someone will say, what's with the moustache? And I'll explain it's about men's health issues. Now this could be anything. It originally started off as things like prostrate and all that sort of stuff. But it covers a whole host of men's particular issues. Okay, so not only prostrate, but also testicular cancer and also mental health. So basically this gives me a chance to talk to other people. If they've got a problem, they may not have had a chance to talk about it to anyone else. Okay, so it just gives a little bit of an opening to talk about men's health issues. Okay, and during these conversations, people realise that there's not as much of a stigma as there used to be about men's health issues. If your body's broken, then you've got to get it fixed. I mean, most blokes get a little bit embarrassed, but what's the point of being embarrassed? You need to get it sorted. Okay, if your car's broken, if your car's misfiring, you take it to the garage and get it fixed. If your plumbing's playing up, then you call in a plumber. These people know what they're doing, okay? So if you've got any men's health issues, then get to a doctor. They know what they're doing. They're not embarrassed. If you go in there and say, you know, feel a bit funny down under, or, you know, something's not quite right, you know what's wrong with your body. Get to someone who could tell you all the details, okay? Don't be embarrassed about it. We're all in it together. What you want to do is stay fit and healthy. Okay, so sorry ladies, this wasn't one for you really. This is for the guys, but it's probably worth watching anyway. All right, so thank you very much for listening to my little ramble for a couple of minutes. If you've got any concerns, just get yourself checked out by a doctor. Okay, don't be embarrassed. And if you see someone with a silly moustache like this, talk to them about it. Okay. They might want to listen, they might not. Okay, take care. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.